Hello my loves and welcome to another live cooking show. I'm Gabrielle Reyes and I am so excited to be doing this video today because I've been craving a peanut butter and jelly smoothie bowl for about 2 weeks now, and I finally got the time to make one. And today I'm using my favorite protein powder, which is Body Complete RX. I found out about these women about a year ago and I got to do a commercial for them. And now I use it every time I have a workout meal that I need, or I need just an extra boost of protein in a smoothie or even in pancakes and stuff like that. I'll put a scoop of that in there. So I'm gonna show you all how to make this delicious, nutritious, protein-packed, and absolutely glorious meal. So come on in. Okay, so as you can see, I have a bunch of different ingredients going on right now, and the first thing I'm going to do is put my frozen fruit into the blender. And what I use for frozen fruit, honestly, it kind of just depends on whatever is in season or whatever was on sale that day. Today I'm using some strawberries, some blueberries, and mango. I'm just gonna put that in there. It's about a cup and a half. And then I'm gonna add in just a little bit of the spinach. I love adding in some greenery just because it makes the meal feel fuller, and it also adds more nutrients and things like that. Then of course, the peanut butter. What would we have if we didn't have the peanut butter without the jelly? So I'm gonna add in a scoop. You can add in however much you want. This is gonna be about 4 servings for a smoothie bowl, so I'm adding in about 4 teaspoons of peanut butter. And what I like to use for peanut butter is always the most natural peanut butter I can find. I like to use either just pretty much peanuts, salt, ground up. I like to use that, or I'll even get some with a little bit of maple syrup in it. But today I'm using a crunchy natural one. And the next thing I'm gonna add in is some cinnamon, and this is gonna give it a nice extra kick. I tell everyone if they want their smoothies to be bomb, add in just like a hint of cinnamon. All right, and then of course, I'm gonna add in a scoop of my protein powder. And I really enjoy this protein powder just because honestly, by itself, the flavor is pretty bomb, but inside of things, it's incredible. It's vanilla-y, it adds just like an extra depth of flavor to specifically this smoothie bowl specifically. So the next thing I'm gonna add in is my coconut milk. I'm gonna add in about a cup of it. I want to make sure this is nice and smooth. It is a smooth bowl, after all, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm going to make sure that this is covering all the fruits in there. All right, cool. And then the next thing I'm going to add into my smoothie base is going to be a little bit of maple syrup. And this just makes it a little sweeter and more like a dessert. And I love smoothie bowls that taste like desserts. Okay. Now we're gonna get to blending. I use this same smoothie base to make these peanut butter and jelly ice cream bars. I just add in some cashews and it makes the perfect little bite-sized dessert. I love that. Cool, we have our smoothie base. Yum. Okay, I have to have a little taste. Oh my, oh. I'm weak, it's so good. I love this. This is hands down my favorite smoothie. Hands down. I love peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. I've always loved them since I was a little kid, and this is the perfect meal. All right. So I'm just gonna fill up my bowl. Nice and full. Like I said, this is 4 servings, so this is something that I'm gonna share probably with Ace, to be honest. Or I'll just eat it throughout the day. You know, with intermittent fasting, I typically eat 1 huge meal. So I could eat this as my big meal today if I really wanted to. But I think I'm gonna save it throughout the day so I can enjoy it. All right, I'm just gonna smooth out the top of my bowl. Oh, this already looks so gorgeous. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Wow. Okay. Jeez. Wow, okay, it's so good. It's so good. All right, so now I get to decorate my beautiful bowl. And this is the fun part of making a smoothie bowl. You don't have to be great at putting fruit on top of other fruit, but it's just fun, and it's a fun way to have a creative look at your food. So I'm just gonna put some blackberries around the edge, just like that. And what I'm using today for my ingredients are all fresh fruit, and then I have some seeds and some crushed peanuts as well. So I'm just gonna do a nice little ring of blackberries, just like that. And honestly, I never plan what these are gonna look like. I always kind of just run off of whatever fruit I have available, whatever colors I'm using, and just kind of have fun with it. Okay, the next thing I have are some blueberries. So this is gonna be on the inner circle right here. And of course, I love using fresh fruits for things like this because of course there's nutrients in them, but also it just looks so pretty. I love eating colorful food, and this is one of the most colorful meals you can have, is a beautiful fruit stuffed smoothie bowl. Okay, just a few more of these. Beautiful. Okay, so now I have that. And then now, I think I'm gonna add a few of these, just 4 little raspberries. Like I said, I don't plan this, I just do it however I want to. All right, so this is what we have so far. I don't know if you can see it that well. I'll bring it up there in a little bit. So what I'm gonna do next is I have some crushed peanuts, and I'm just gonna sprinkle those on the side. Yeah, come on, get your sprinkle on, baby. Okay, fill that nice. And you can put whatever you want on top of your smoothie bowls. That's what's beautiful, and it's not gonna taste bad. It will taste good, I promise. Okay, the last thing I'm gonna add is just a few chia seeds. I like these, they're nice and filling, and they just look so cute on top of smoothie bowls like this. So I'm just gonna add some all over. Psh, I look like, what's it called, Salt Bae? Is that what the kids say? Where he's like sprinkling it? I'm Chia Bae, so you guys can start calling me that. Okay, well I'm done and I'm ready to take a bite. Okay. This is the final result. This is my peanut butter and jelly smoothie bowl with my Body Complete protein powder, and I'm so excited to get into this. I'm gonna take a nice bite. Let me get some of that peanut in there. And all God's people said, amen. This is so good. Wow. It's like, it's so creamy, obviously because of the peanut butter, but also with the fresh fruit and the crushed nuts on top, it's just perfect. It's my childhood. It's one of my favorite meals in the world, created into something delicious, nutritious, colorful, and protein packed. So thank you so much for watching, everyone. I'm so glad I got to share this recipe with you. Go out and make one of these, and make sure to check out My Body Complete as well. The women who own that company are seriously bomb ladies, and you should follow them and find out what they got going on. I'll see you all later. Thanks for watching. Bye.